In this video, we will show you how to install Alpena's Spot Warmer LED kit with Install Kit plus dual output harness with switch onto existing mounting brackets. These instructions can also be used for the following Alpena products: LED Spot Ranger and LED Fogz 6. You will need the following tools for this installation. Protective eyewear must be used. Let's get started. Open the box to lay out your products and ensure you have all your parts. Grab your spot roamers. Slide the long bolt through the base of the bracket and secure with the nut. To attach the brackets, use the shorter bolts and small washers to attach each side of the bracket to the light. Now attach the lights onto the preferred mounting area by removing the nut. Reattach the nut when the bolt is through the mounting area and tighten with your ratchet. Grab your Install Kit Plus and prepare for crimping. Find your positive and negative wires from each harness output. Grab 2 female crimp connectors and crimp to the positive and negative wires of the included wiring harness. Repeat for the second connector on the other side with the remaining female crimp connectors. Grab 2 male crimp connectors and crimp to the positive and negative wires of each Install Kit Plus harness output. Repeat for the second output with the remaining male crimp connectors. Now connect your crimp connections. Connect your light to the supplied harness. Disconnect the negative terminal or ground connection, followed by the positive terminal. Be sure to avoid cross-terminal connection with your tool to avoid short-circuiting. From the Install Kit Plus harness, grab your positive terminal and mount to the battery's positive terminal. Now grab your negative terminal and mount to the ground connection. Tighten secure connection. While we're here, grab the Install Kit Plus switch and test your lights. Looks like we're good. Tidy up the wiring and ensure it's not close to heat sources or moving engine parts. Use cable ties to contain the wiring and cut the excess cable tie to avoid future injuries. Run the blue, white, and black wiring through a grommet hole in the engine bay or desired space to the cabin. find a mounting location for the switch. Your accessory light is now connected and ready for your next adventure.